Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to Academia Coaches. The topic of my tutorial lecture is structure of viruses. मैं अपने आज के लेक्चर में आपको बताऊंगी कि व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ वायरसेस. कंप्लीट मैच्योर इन्फेक्शियस पार्टिकल इज नोन एज वायरियन. कंप्लीट जो मैच्योर पार्टिकल होता है जो इन्फेक्शन कॉज करता है दैट इज नोन एज वायरियन. द वायरियन आर कंपोज्ड ऑफ nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA. Nucleic acid. It can be DNA or RNA, which is also known as the genome. Genome or viral genome हम इसको कहते हैं. And this viral genome is surrounded by a protein coat, which is known as capsid. Protein coat which is known as capsid. So virus structure of virus में हम देखते हैं कि the virus are composed of nucleic acid which can be either DNA or RNA, and this DNA or RNA are surrounded by a protein coat which is known as the capsid. So the capsid gives structure or shape to the virion. Capsid give shape to virion, and this capsid is made up of protein subunit which is known as capsomers. Capsomers, जो ये कैप्सिड होता है वो मेडअप है वो होता है प्रोटीन कैप्सोमर्स का. सो जो नंबर ऑफ कैप्सोमर्स होते हैं वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं किसी भी पर्टिकुलर वायरस के. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 162 कैप्सोमर्स आर प्रेजेंट इन herpes virus, 252 in the capsid of adenovirus. And in some animal viruses, the nucleocapsid, that is nucleic acid and capsid, is covered by an other membrane which is known as envelope. कुछ वायरसेस ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें जो न्यूक्लियोकैप्सिड होता है that is nucleic acid and protein coat. This is also known as nucleocapsid. Nucleocapsid. कुछ वायरसेस ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें जो न्यूक्लियोकैप्सिड होता है वो सराउंड होया होता है by the envelope. And these viruses are known as enveloped viruses. So some animal and plant viruses may be polyhedron, helical, enveloped or complex viruses. So viruses can be enveloped and non-enveloped viruses. Whenever you see the structure of enveloped viruses, then an envelope is present around the nucleocapsid. And in non-enveloped viruses, the envelope is not present around the nucleocapsid. So viewers, in my tutorial lecture, I explain about the basic structure of viruses. Thank you so much viewers and Allah Hafiz.
Do not forget to subscribe